going to tend some of my trades on the hourly. This is Bitcoin up $9. Stop loss is there at -30. Because it's such a high stop loss, I feel compelled to move it up to break even and hope for the best. It's an hour up. It could stop us out and we'll lose whatever we lose. We'll lose opportunity, but I'd rather lose nothing than $30. Sugar, we're already break even on sugar. The hourly is a big mess. I don't know how it's doing so well. I'm gonna add a trailing stop loss in there, because I'll just copy the current stop loss and add a trailing stop loss. Who knows how well it's gonna do. In fact, I'll put the trailing stop loss there, because it is very janky up and down on the hourly. Although I'm aiming, my take profit is, where's my take profit? I don't even have a take profit. Take profit is at a previous lows. I should add that in. Just take a measurement here and copy that. So maybe it's better to hang on and see how we go. Take profit. If it hits that, I'll get $16. Right now I'm up $7, so I'm halfway there. I'm happy to leave the trading stop loss in. If I get 10, that's fine. In fact, I might take off. Okay, we're looking at the daily. Do I want to limit my upside? Not really, right? Just leave it off and leave the trading stop loss on. So nothing to do. Next is pound CAD. We are short. And I said short if you get down tank candle, because 1.8, which is up there, is a strong resistance area. And why is it a strong resistance area? Look at the history. It's hit it, almost hit it there. What's that? 1.79. There it went above. I mean, it's a band, isn't it? But generally that's up. So I'm the same thing. I put a trading stop loss in. We're up $7. We'll just leave it. Next is, I mean, we want to get more, right? Because we're risking 10 per trade, and so we want to get more than 10 in the outcome. Wheat US. So looking at the daily, so it's very janky, and in the hourly, it's not uniform straight as, and the same in the daily. So I think we just got to take whatever we can get. If I put a take profit, it'll be $5. Let's see how much money that would make us. If it gets down to 5, we get an extra $7.60, and we're up $5. I'm just going to do the same thing here and get rid of the take profit and add a trading stop at the same as the stop loss. Copy and paste. See how much we can get out of it. And we'll put this trading stop there on the 1.5. What do you call those things? Standard deviations away from the previous close, which is here. 1.5 standard deviations up is there. Let it follow it. See how we go. Next is wheat. We did Singapore. So it ended due to higher lows and low risk. May have entered a bit early. Looks like we're doing all right. It's going to move our stop loss up to the previous, below the previous low, so here. And this is on the hourly. So let's have a look. But we want to ride that as long as we can, because when you look at the daily, it just goes up and up and up and up and up. We don't want to get stopped out on that. Maybe we should leave the stop loss down below. Let's put it down here. 2 hourlies below. So we're going to get something out of it. We're going to get, like, how much? A $3 minus $2, we're going to get $1. Woohoo, at least. Unless it gaps through it, but anyway, that's unlikely. Okay, Euro Kiwi. So look at the daily. We went in here, we're shorting it down to the take profit. We're already at break even. I think we're just going to leave that. Why is that so out of place? There it should be. Yeah. I mean, well, there, but where did we short it? Or maybe we did short it back here. Maybe I should not move it. Let's undo. Undo, 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 undo. There. Now we kind of shorted it back there. Come on. Can we look when we entered that as Euro Kiwi? And we looking through the market here. And the activity was a while back. Euro Chief, Euro Pound, Euro CAD, Euro Japan, Pound CAD, China. I don't see Euro Kiwi in here. Okay, I'm wasting the YouTuber's time, sorry. Oh, there it is, Euro Kiwi. So we entered what date? The 7th of November. Okay. 7th of November at 9 a.m. So about there, it was about there, look at that. So we've been shorting it since then. That is interesting. Okay. And it's going to keep on going down. So what we could do in this one is to say that that was a lower high on the hourly, so we don't expect it to go above that, and we'll lock in whatever amount of money that is. It's interesting, on the daily it looks like it's going up, but we're still shorting it. Okay, Euro Kiwi next. Now we're looking at the not in profit trades. Where's Euro Kiwi? Euro CAD still in profit. Nice. Shorted due to channel. So this one I just literally thought, oh yeah, it's the top of a channel. It's gonna go down the channel. Let's check out Euro CAD on the sentiment. I think this does a better job than me in trading. It's just mixed. 61% short, 39% long. My theory is, oh look, it went from the bottom to the top, so it's probably going to go from the top to the bottom, and I'm probably wrong. So let's move the stop loss to break even and make it a trading stop loss. And see how much we can get out of it. Even though it's probably not going to reach that. I don't know, why am I doubting myself? Trading stop loss. So that's a break even, and now it's trading, so it'll follow it down. See what we get out of it. Okay. Now we're into losses. Euro CAD, S&P 500, we're up 40 cents. So this one we entered on the hourly due to the sentiment indicator, which is here, and it says 68% is short and we're long. So we expect someone to take all the shorts and shove the price up. We're only 49 cents in, so we can't do anything right now. Let's just check the other ones to make sure we're happy with them. We're short Euro Pound. Let's look at the daily due to bearish sentiment indicator, and okay, I'm happy. I mean, if you look at the hourly, why has it moved, man? Come on. Shorted due to bearish sentiment indicator. I'll just move it left a bit. And there's a stop loss, and that's how I'll move the auto off. See, I've got too much stuff in here. Yeah, that one I entered it earlier, but I put my stop loss too short, and now I've put my stop loss way up there. So we'll just wait and see what happens. Euro Japan, due to beautiful reversal pattern and previous low for take profit. So like it's gone down a peg, and we expect it to keep on zigzagging. Even though there's a higher high there, this high is lower than that high. So, and we're going to take profit right down there. So what are we risking, and what are we going to get? We're risking $10. We're going to get 21 if we win. Nice. Next, Euro Japan, Pound Japan. Now you might be thinking, oh, why are you wasting all this time just for $10? But imagine if instead of $1,000 account, it was $1 million account. That would be $10,000. If it even was 100,000, to be $10,000. So if I get good, I can increase my account size and increase my winning size. That's my plan, and then I can retire. This is Pound Japan. We are long. Looks long to me. Cool. Shift Japan, we're shorted into the channel. If this fails, see if you can trade it. So this one, I have no idea what I'm doing. We'll just have to see what happens. I'm like shorted or long it, one or the other. And here we're short. We haven't written a trade in. Let's write a trade in. I don't know why we entered. Probably should have recorded all that. Where did we go in? Way over here. Let's move that stop loss up. What's that? I don't even know what that is anymore. That's a line. Okay, I'll draw it in on the daily. See, why have I got a trade that I didn't take any notes on? Naughty me. So we entered here. But we must have entered way back over here on this. Oh, we got the trade there. There's a note. Look, there's a picture. That's the one I just drew. Silly me. Okay. Reverse out. That's going to be up there because that's where the stop loss is, and entries there, and then target. We don't really have a target. Let's stretch it out a bit because we don't know how long it's going to go. Okay. That is tending our trades for the 14th of November. Have a good day. Goodbye.